Dear students, welcome you all to this presentation on CAM mechanism. Myself, Devaraju D, Selection Grade Lecturer, Karnataka Government Polytechnic, Mangalore. Session outcome. At the end of this session, the student will be able to know different terms used in radial CAM. Outline. So in this video session, I will discuss the different terms used in radial CAMs. Classification of CAM. We know there are two types of CAMs. First one, radial CAM. In radial CAM, the follower reciprocates or oscillates perpendicular to CAM axis. Cylindrical CAM. So in case of cylindrical CAM, the follower reciprocates or oscillates parallel to CAM axis. Parallel to CAM axis. So in this presentation, so I will discuss the different terms used in radial CAMs. Let us begin with base circle. The base circle, nothing but it is the smallest circle drawn from the center of the cam to the cam profile. Consider a cam profile with knife edge follower. First, identify the shortest distance from the center of the cam to the cam profile. Take this shortest distance as radius, draw a circle, and this circle is known as the base circle. So the base circle is the smallest circle drawn from the center of the cam to the cam profile. Trace point. It is a reference point on the follower and is used to generate the pitch curve. It is a reference point on the follower and is used to generate the pitch curve. In case of knife edge follower, the knife edge represent the trace point. Knife edge represent the trace point. In case of roller follower, the center of the roller represent the trace point. In case of flat face follower, the point of contact between cam and the follower is taken as the trace point. Pitch curve. It is the curve generated by the trace point as the follower moves relative to the cam. So consider a cam with roller follower. So as we have discussed in the previous slide, center of the roller represents the trace point. Imagine the cam is stationary and follower moving around the cam profile. Then the curve generated by the trace point as the follower moves relative to the cam is called pitch curve. For a knife edge follower, pitch curve and the cam profile are same. For knife edge follower, pitch curve and cam profile are same. But for roller follower, the pitch curve and cam profile are separated by radius of the roller. They are separated by radius of the roller. Pressure angle. It is the angle between direction of the follower motion, direction of the follower motion, and a normal to pitch curve, normal to pitch curve. So this angle is very important in designing a cam profile. If the pressure angle is too large, a reciprocating follower will jam in its bearings or guides. Pitch point. It is a point on the pitch curve having the maximum pressure angle. So when the follower is at initial position, the pressure angle is 0. As the cam begins to rotate, the pressure angle goes on increases and reaches the maximum value. The point at which the pressure angle reaches the maximum value is called the pitch point. Next one, pitch circle. It is a circle drawn from the center of the cam through the pitch point. Consider a cam with roller follower. So first you identify the distance between cam center and the pitch point. We know the pitch point is the point on the pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. Take the distance between cam center and the pitch point as the radius. Draw the circle from the center of the cam, and this circle is called the pitch circle. So pitch circle is drawn from the center of the cam through the pitch point. Prime circle. It is the smallest circle that can be drawn from the center of the cam and tangent to the pitch curve. So it is the smallest circle that can be drawn from the center of the cam, and tangent to the pitch curve, tangent to the pitch curve. So this circle drawn from center of the cam and tangent to the pitch curve is called the prime circle. For a knife edge and flat face follower, the prime circle and the base circle are identical. They are same. But for a roller follower, the prime circle is larger than the base circle by radius of the roller. So radius of the prime circle is equal to radius of the base circle plus radius of the roller. We know the radius of the base circle and the radius of the roller. We can calculate the radius of the prime circle, right? So prime circle radius is equal to the base circle radius plus roller radius. Lift or stroke. So it is the maximum travel of the follower from its lowest position to topmost position. So we know the cam is usually rotating with uniform angular speed. The follower reciprocates. So the maximum travel of the follower from bottommost position to topmost position or topmost position to the bottommost position is called lift or stroke. So far we discussed different terms used in radial cam. We will see one by one once again. Base circle. So it's the smallest circle drawn from the center of the cam to the cam profile. Trace point. It is the reference point on the follower and is used to generate the pitch curve. For knife edge follower, this knife edge is taken as trace point For roller follower, the center of the roller is taken as the trace point. Pitch curve. So it is a curve generated by the trace point as the follower moves related to the cam. In case of knife edge follower, the pitch curve and cam profile are same. But in case of roller follower, pitch curve and cam profile, they are separated by radius of the roller. Pressure angle. It is the angle between the direction of the follower motion and normal to pitch curve. Pitch point. It is the point on the pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. Next one. Pitch circle. It is a circle drawn from the center of the cam through the pitch point. Prime circle is a circle. It is the smallest circle that can be drawn from the center of the cam and tangent to the pitch curve. For knife edge follower, the prime circle and base circle are identical. For roller follower, the prime circle larger than the base circle by radius of the roller. Then last one, lift or stroke. It is the maximum travel of the follower from bottommost position to topmost position or topmost position to the bottommost position. Let us see the multiple choice questions. The first one, the size of a cam depends upon, options are base circle, pitch circle, prime circle, pitch curve. The size of the cam depends on the base circle. The answer is A. So size of the cam is specified by the base circle. Okay. Second one, the angle between the direction of the follower motion and a normal to the pitch curve is called. So as we have discussed in the previous slide, the angle between direction of the follower motion and normal to the pitch curve is called the pressure angle. The answer is D, pressure angle. Third one, a circle drawn with center as the cam center and radius equal to distance between the cam center and the point of pitch curve at which the pressure angle is maximum is called. Options are base circle, pitch circle, prime circle, none of these. A circle drawn from the center of the cam through the pitch point is called the pitch circle, right? So the answer is B, pitch circle. In a radial cam, the follower moves in a direction perpendicular to cam axis, in a direction parallel to cam axis, in any direction irrespective to the cam axis, along the cam axis. We know in radial cam, the follower moves perpendicular to the cam axis, right? So answer is A. Which of the following statement is true for cam profile? Pitch point on the pitch curve has minimum pressure angle. In case of roller follower, trace point represents center of the roller. Pitch circle is drawn through trace point from the center of the cam, all of the above. We know center of the roller is taken as the trace point. So trace point is nothing but a reference point considered on follower. So in case of knife edge follower, this knife edge represents the trace point. In case of roller follower, the center of the roller represents the trace point. So the second one, the option B, in case of roller follower, trace point represent the center of the roller. So the answer is B. Sixth one, the pitch point on a cam is dash. Any point on the pitch curve, the point on cam pitch curve having maximum pressure angle, any point on pitch circle, the point on cam pitch curve having minimum pressure angle. We know the pitch point is the point on the pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. So answer is B. Dash is a reference point on the follower and is used to generate the pitch curve. Options are pitch point, trace point, base point, none of the above. So we know trace point is a reference point on the follower and used to generate the pitch curve, right? So answer is B. For a roller follower, pitch curve and cam profile are separated by radius of the roller. The options are true or false. We know in case of roller follower, this pitch curve and the cam profile, they are separated by radius of the roller. So the answer is true. Answer is A. Dash is the smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile. So we know the base circle is the smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile from the center of the cam. So answer is C, base circle. Last one. For a roller follower, the prime circle is dash the base circle by the radius of the roller. For a roller follower, the prime circle is dash the base circle by radius of the roller. Observe the picture here. The prime circle is larger than the base circle by radius of the roller, right? So the answer is C. These are the reference links used to prepare this PPT and the presentation. Thank you.